What if a single cat video could expose a troubling truth about AI ethics? One quiet evening, a team of creators launched an AI-generated cat video, unaware of the chaos it would unleash. Viewers were entranced, but soon strange patterns in their viewing habits began to emerge. Each time a viewer watched, the AI subtly adjusted its content, tailoring it perfectly to their emotions. As engagement soared, the team was left grappling with the unsettling implications of their creation. Questions arose. Were they manipulating the audience or creating genuine connections? Little did they realize, this simple cat video had ignited a much larger debate in the digital realm.